Hi, welcome to our starter video on Azure Route Tables. In this video, we'll break down the key fields you see when working with this resource to give you a clear idea of how to configure it. Let's get started. Name defines the unique name for your route tables. It should be a unique string within your resource group. Location specifies the Azure region where this resource will be deployed. Tags help organize and categorize your resources. They use key value pairs to label the route tables instance. Disable BGP route propagation specifies whether BGP route propagation is disabled for the route table. Set to true or false. Routes section defines the list of routes to attach to the route table. Name is the name of the route. Type is a read-only and can be left blank. Address prefix specifies the destination IP address range for the route. Has BGP override fields indicates whether this route overrides the overlapping BGP routes. Next hop IP address defines the IP address of the next hop for the traffic. Next hop type specifies the type of next hop, such as virtual network gateway, VNet local, or internet. With that, we are done with the fundamental properties of this resource. If you don't want to configure your resource from scratch, you can choose one of the Clofi draft resources, where the fields are populated for you in advance, and the chosen options are explained in detail for your reference. In addition, you have the opportunity to discover the usage of this resource within different cloud architectures. Clofi also generates the infrastructure as code automatically in Terraform Bicep and ARM formats to save you time from tedious work.